everyone. So this is our video related to quiz 1. I wanted to redo it because I know that some students had reached out to me to say that the video quality was not great. So I'm actually doing it on a different computer this time to see if that helps. So let's go to student view. And I want to show you basically what you have to do for your quiz. So here's quiz 1. This is what you will see, quiz 1. And we're going to begin it. And in here, you should see something related to where your partner is or who the person is that is your partner so that you guys can get in contact with each other. That way you're able to coordinate a time that works for you to meet to complete the quiz before Sunday. So this has two parts to it. Okay, and basically what we're seeing here is it gives you the prompt and it has you kind of do some brainstorming, right? So here's your prompt and the brainstorming that you have to do to complete the exercise. And then down below, you'll see where it says start assignment. And again, this is, you should have something here that shows you who your partner is, and then you'll be recording with them, okay? And when you do complete the assignment, what you should do is, this should already be there for you. So you'll record and you'll have to allow for your mic and your camera to be used. So what is the prompt? It says, escriba preguntas para hacer a un compañero o una compañera para saber si les gustan las cosas del paso 1 o no. And this one here is paso 1. Right? So la música clásica. ¿Te gusta la música clásica? ¿Te gusta la música clásica, verdad? And then so we have then different questions that we're asking based on the topic that we're given, right? And this is our example. So here it gives us 6 different options and then a 7th one that you and your partner have to make up. So the first one is bailar salsa. So when you're talking with your partner, you should be asking them, ¿te gusta bailar salsa? And then they'll either say, sí, me gusta bailar salsa, or no, no me gusta bailar salsa. And remember, the way that you conjugate the verb gustar should be based on whether in this sentence, right? So for 1 through 6, is it a singular noun, a plural noun, or an infinitive? Because when it's a singular noun, like el arte surrealista, you have to use the singular form of gustar, which is gusta. When it's plural, like destinos exóticos, you have to use the plural form of gustar, which is gustan. And if it is a infinitive, which is just a verb that hasn't been conjugated, like that ends in AR, ER, or IR, you use the singular form. So you'll write out here your questions, back and forth to each other. And since you're talking to a partner, you should be using the tú form because it's a familiar form. And if you're having any trouble, you don't understand gustar, you want to go back, what you should do is you should go through the grammar. So I have these grammar recordings that I have completed for you. I think it's in chapter 8. And it breaks it down for you slide by slide so you can see what you want to review, which is great. So here's this portion where it talks about, I don't know if it looks different on your end, just because of the, here we go. So we're going to look for gustar, right? Likes and dislikes. So you have this here and it tells you how to use it. And we'll move on to, maybe I can move to this. Oh, of course. I just saw it. Sorry, guys. Here we go. So here's also our other table that explains gustar. Or if you would rather look through the book, you can go to the book. And it's very interactive. So you'll head here to chapter 8. That's the one that we were using, chapter 8. So we'll go up, chapter 8, de viaje, and then we go to the grammar section, likes and dislikes, section 22, and it gives us this great video to also discuss gustar, which is like a tutorial, and there's more information about it. So that can all help you prepare to feel like you're ready to complete the first quiz. Okay, so when we go back to instructor view, okay, when I'm showing you guys what the quiz looks like, this is what it looks like on my end. So I'm going to preview it. And like I said, this is what more similar to what you should be seeing, the names of the people who are in your group. Okay, and when you go to start assignment here, I'm going to pretend like I'm a part of this group. So I'm going to go to this group. Oh, that's right. I'm going to join it. So I will allow my camera and microphone to be used. Here is where you will start recording and you'll see your other partners there. Okay, so if you have any questions about that, please let me know. I did just do this for our first quiz because I know that this is the first time we're doing it. I want to make sure you guys understand it. And then from there, you'll have quiz 2 and quiz 3 in the upcoming weeks. So please reach out to me if you have any questions about the quiz.